So when are we gonna start the campfire?
Probably once the sun goes down. We don't want to burn the wood too quickly. Happened last year at this specific campsite.
Please don't tell that story. It's gonna freak everyone out.
No, tell the story. I love stories like this.
Last year, 3 friends went camping out here. One of them was found dead. I never found the other 2, but everyone assumed they were dead too.
Great, thanks Chris. Now I'm a little freaked out.
Don't worry, you're out here with us 2 men. You'll be fine.
Okay, men or not, it's pretty dark out here and anyone can sneak up on us like that crazy psycho that he's talking about.
Well guys, somewhere out there is a tree with my name written all over it. So I'm gonna go find somewhere to use the restroom.
I really, really wish he wouldn't have told that story. I'm gonna be really paranoid tonight.
Well, with that being said, I think I'm gonna go to sleep. What the?
Are you okay?
Yeah, just had a really bad nightmare. Whew. Where's the alcohol?
If I'm not mistaken, it's still by the campfire.
We should play a card game, like Ring of Fire.
If you feel like losing.
Y'all know how to play
Hell
Ring
yeah.
of Fire, right?
You got 2 beers?
This one goes in the middle for
That
Ring
one's
of
for
Fire.
the winner. That one's for the winner.
Top the cap, you gotta drink it
You
all.
wrote my name on it, right?
Why don't you guys come over here so we can all sit in a circle? I don't think you need any beer.
I'm still trying to wake up, okay? I had 1 or 2 beers last night.
1 or 2.
Give me a break. It's been a long week.
I was double again last night. Alright, so you guys know how to play Ring of Fire, right?
You'll have to run it through.
Run it through.
I don't
I know
remember
how to play if you know how to open a deck.
Listen, sir. Alright.
You gotta take out the unused cards.
Alright, so basically, the cards go around here in the circle. You look at the wrong circle. Guys, we chose the wrong spot to put this tent up.
It wasn't my idea.
I blame Chris. Alright, so they're in the circle. Basically, you go through, and each card is a different thing. 4 is for 6 is for forget all the rules. 6 is for dicks, 5 is Jack is alright, so who wants to go first?
1, 2, 3, not me.
What if you're me? You go first.
Nose goes. Alright. So I have picked up a 6. 6 is for all guys drink.
Okay.
Clockwise.
What were aces again?
Aces is waterfall. Everybody has to drink until you stop. I took more of a chug than a
Drink.
drink.
I'm supposed to chug, you're supposed to drink. Come on, get it in there.
Your turn, Chris.
I got a 2, what do I do?
2, you choose someone to drink with. Two is two. Someone wants to get laid tonight.
So every time he takes a drink, I have to drink, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, no. That's actually 8, I do believe. 8 is me. Every time he drinks, he drinks. But
Gotcha.
he just chose you to drink with him. 5. 5. What is 5?
5, you're alive.
No, 5 is thumbs. So, if I put your turn.
9.
9 is rhyme. So now you have to come up with a word, and we all have to rhyme that word in a circle. Whoever hesitates or stops
Dog.
to think of
Frog.
hog,
Log.
Smog.
fog, tapped out.
Names count, right?
Your turn.
Oh shit. 10.
10 is categories.
Camping.
Fire,
Tent.
Fishing.
bear,
Music.
Campfire songs.
Is that a challenge?
That was a challenge. Yes.
Oh god. Gross.
Wait, are we supposed to be playing categories?
Yes.
Yes,
It's
whose turn?
yours.
My turn.
Yes.
I just went.
Trees.
No,
You already said trees, I think.
No, I didn't.
No, it's
You said 10.
it's over. You drank. It's your turn to draw.
Alright. Jack. It's Jack again.
Jack, attack.
I don't know, but I'm gonna drink anyway.
You know what? I forgot to tell you a part of the story.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, not this again.
Oh yes, this again.
This again.
I mean, so they found the person dead. They had a big ol' slice across their neck, covered in blood. 'Cause, you know, there was more blood than just from the neck. I mean, obviously they were coughing up blood too, so it was like,
Do you really not want me to get any sleep tonight? Like,
I never said it was gonna happen to us, but I mean, could you imagine just camping? Just like we are, just camping, having fun, drinking. Next thing you know, you're running for your life.
I'll find a tree fort to sleep in tonight.
Because there's somebody chasing after you with a knife. But unlike a dog or something you're running from, you can't hide up a tree because they can probably just climb a tree too.
I mean, if it was a dog, theoretically, dog's DNA would be there.
Right, I'm just saying in terms of running. Like,
Look.
they'll probably stab you while you're climbing the tree.
can we just finish the game?
The game's finished when everybody's drunk.
Well, I don't think you're drunk enough. You might be.
Hey, don't get mad at me just because I'm good at the game.
Well, I mean, I just dropped all the cards off of it, so...
Drink up, buttercup.
Buttercup? Isn't that her pet name?
It sounded good, okay? Yeah, so in regards to how you mentioned DNA, they actually found the DNA of a male on the victim, which is weird because they also found lipstick.
Maybe it was duo. Maybe it was a male naked.
Yeah, but they would have found footprints for more than one person chasing them. I think we got a super
Maybe, yeah. But it could also be transvestite or a trans woman.
Nah, that's just going a little too much fantasy.
Other fantasies.
Yeah, but fantasy's not real. We gotta be realistic.
We gotta be realistic though. With this DNA,
Could have the lipstick have been one of the victims? Did they ever say?
Yeah, but who wears lipstick?
I mean, they could have been having sex in the middle of the night and just.
But who puts
out
on
with head.
lipstick when they're having sex while camping?
I mean, it could have been in one
Why
of their
not?
bags. The killer could have gone through the bag.
Well, who packs lipstick when camping, period?
Girls.
Girls? I did.
What?
Just in case.
I guess you just never know when you need to look beautiful. Well, now that you're drunk, I'm gonna do a card trick.
Oh?
Prepare to have your mind blown.
You okay?
I'm
You're acting
fine.
kind of weird.
I'm just in touch with my feminine side.
Okay, whatever makes you happy.
We're gonna do a campfire again tonight.
Yeah, we are. Last night was fun.
Last night was fucking lit.
It was lit.
We're sitting here by the campfire, singing funny words. Gonna go out in the woods and poop out some silly turds. Singing campfire songs. Campfire songs.
So, back to these, serial killers and the, killing that happened at the spot last year.
It's a conspiracy, man.
The thing is, bunch of lies, man.
Seriously, guys, with this shit again, I'm getting so sick of hearing about it. You've been going on for 3 days. So while you guys sit there and talk about it, I'm gonna go for a walk. So fucking fed up with this shit. It's so stupid. Maybe they'll get it out of their system while I'm gone. Did you hear what happened last year at this specific spot? There was a bunch of people here and they all f***ing died.
We should have thrown another coin into it. your party. Hi! Everybody say hi. There's Marissa, there's Jillian, there's a friend, there's Cheyenne, sorry I forgot your name, and there's Jay, there's Baby, there's Katie. Say hi, Katie. Hey!